You are now tuning into Audio Ocean, where every wave tells a story. Good Credit: Establishing and Repairing Your Credit by Flow and Finance. Preface. In the vast ocean of financial knowledge, the concept of credit often appears as a daunting and complex beast. Yet, understanding credit is not just about numbers and transactions. It's a journey through the intricacies of trust, opportunity, and personal growth. This book, Good Credit: Establishing and Repairing Your Credit, is born from the real stories of everyday people, their challenges, triumphs, and lessons learned in the world of credit. Imagine, for a moment, a young couple, Sarah and Alex, standing outside their dream home. Their eyes sparkle with hope, yet their hearts are weighed down by uncertainty. Their journey to this point has been a roller coaster of financial decisions, marked by missteps and learning. Like many, their path to understanding credit was not taught in schools or discussed at family dinners. It was a path they navigated with trial and error, piecing together information in a world where credit scores can open doors to dreams or close them with a resounding thud. Their story, and countless others like it, underscores the vital importance of understanding and managing credit. It is a story about aspirations, the aspiration to own a home, to build a business, to secure a future. But it's also a story about the hurdles that come with poor credit management, the missed opportunities, the rejections, and the often overwhelming stress of financial insecurity. This book aims to demystify the concept of credit. It is not a dry financial manual laden with jargon and complex formulas. Instead, it is a guide, a companion in your journey towards financial literacy and freedom. Through its pages, we weave the technicalities of credit scores, reports, and financial decisions with the human element, the dreams, the fears, and the triumphs. You will meet individuals from various walks of life, each with their unique relationship with credit. From Linda, a freelance graphic designer taking her first tentative steps into the world of credit cards, to John, a recent college graduate, grappling with student loans and the daunting task of building a credit history from scratch. Their stories are a tapestry of experiences, a reflection of the diverse ways credit touches our lives. As you embark on this journey with us, remember that understanding credit is not just about securing a loan or a credit card. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge. It's about making informed decisions that align with your goals and values. And ultimately, it's about taking control of your financial narrative, turning challenges into stepping stones towards a future of stability and opportunity. So, whether you are starting from a place of wanting to establish credit, repair it, or simply understand it better, this book is for you. Let it be your guide, your resource, and your companion as you navigate the sometimes turbulent waters of credit management. Welcome to Good Credit: Establishing and Repairing Your Credit. Your journey towards financial empowerment starts here. Introduction: The World of Credit. Demystifying credit, more than just a score. In a small, warmly lit room, John, a recent college graduate, sits hunched over a cluttered desk. Papers are strewn about, and among them is a document that seems to hold an inexplicable power over his future: his credit report. With a mixture of curiosity and trepidation, he attempts to decipher the cryptic figures and terms before him. This scene, familiar to many, is where our exploration of the world of credit begins. Credit is often perceived as a complex and elusive concept, shrouded in mystery and laden with implications. Yet, at its core, credit is fundamentally about trust. It's the trust a lender places in a borrower's promise to repay. In the modern financial world, this trust is quantified and encapsulated in the form of credit scores and reports, tools that have far-reaching impacts on various aspects of our lives. In this introduction, we will unravel the layers of credit, moving beyond the mere understanding of scores and reports. We delve into its integral role in the modern financial landscape and how it affects everyday decisions. From the joy of buying your first home to the practicality of leasing a car, or even the necessities like renting an apartment, credit weaves its way through many facets of our lives. We also set the stage for what to expect in this guide. This is not just a journey through the mechanics of credit scores or the details of credit reports. It's an exploration of the relationship between credit and opportunity, between financial decisions and life goals. It's about understanding how the invisible thread of credit ties into the tapestry of our financial well-being. As we navigate through this world, we'll encounter stories like John's, stories of real individuals facing the challenges and opportunities that credit presents. These narratives will illuminate the path, providing context and depth to the concepts discussed. They serve to remind us that behind every credit score, every financial decision, there are personal hopes, dreams, and struggles. This introduction aims to lay a foundation of understanding, to demystify the world of credit and make it more accessible. Whether you're a recent graduate like John, standing at the threshold of financial independence, or someone looking to navigate the complexities of credit repair, this guide is designed to provide clarity and direction. As you turn these pages, remember that understanding credit is a key step in taking control of your financial narrative. It's about making informed decisions that align with your personal and financial aspirations. And most importantly, it's about empowering yourself with knowledge to unlock opportunities and secure a stable financial future. Welcome to the world of credit, a world where numbers meet real life, where trust translates into opportunity, and where knowledge becomes the key to unlocking your financial potential. Card. This step, pivotal in the world of personal finance, brings her face to face with the concept of credit. In its essence, credit represents a lender's trust in an individual's ability to repay borrowed money. For Linda, and indeed for anyone stepping into the realm of personal finance, understanding this trust, quantified as a credit score and detailed in a credit report, is crucial. A credit score, a three-digit number ranging typically from 300 to 850, serves as a quick summary of one's creditworthiness. The higher the score, the more favorable a borrower appears to potential lenders. This score is a reflection of several key factors, including payment history, amounts owed, and length of credit history. Meanwhile, the credit report provides a more detailed story. It lists all of Linda's credit accounts, her history with them, and includes other aspects like her total debt and how much of her available credit she's using. Why good credit is essential. The importance of good credit extends far beyond the ability to borrow money. As Linda learns from her friend Tom, who recently navigated through the process of obtaining a mortgage, a good credit score can open doors to favorable loan terms, making dreams like homeownership more accessible. But its influence doesn't end there. Rental and employment opportunities. A strong credit score often factors into rental agreements and can sometimes influence employment opportunities, especially in roles that involve financial responsibility. Financial flexibility. Good credit can offer more choices for financial products and better terms, which translates to savings over time and increased financial flexibility. Tom's experience and advice illuminate for Linda the multifaceted nature of credit. It's not just about the number, but how that number can impact various aspects of her life. Building a positive credit history. For Linda, understanding how her actions affect her credit score is pivotal. She learns that timely bill payments are crucial and that high credit utilization, using a large portion of her available credit, can negatively impact her score. Managing debt wisely, not taking on more than she can handle, and keeping old accounts open to lengthen her credit history are strategies she adopts. Monitoring credit. Regularly checking her credit report not only helps Linda keep track of her score, but also enables her to catch and address any inaccuracies that might arise. Financial habits. Adopting disciplined financial habits, such as budgeting and avoiding the trap of minimum payments on her credit cards, plays a crucial role in maintaining and improving her credit score. Chapter Summary. Chapter 1 sets the foundation for understanding credit. Through Linda's journey, the chapter explores the critical aspects of credit scores and reports and how they influence one's financial opportunities and challenges. The narrative, interspersed with practical tips and real-life implications, underscores the importance of maintaining good credit. It equips readers with the knowledge to start building a strong credit history, highlighting how everyday financial decisions can shape their financial future.